Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own brass toothpicks. You've probably seen these on other YouTube channels. They have a lot of different uses, but they're also really expensive. So I'm going to show you how to make your own, very cheap and very easy. And all you need is some brass rod, which you can pick up from your local craft store. You're going to need a rotary tool, and you're going to need some sandpaper. You're also going to want either a good respirator, or like I have here, my vacuum is taped to my desk to catch the brass dust. You don't want to breathe it in, it's really irritating. If you plan on making a lot of brass toothpicks and using the vacuum, empty it often because under the right circumstances, brass dust is combustible. So I've cut a piece of brass rod to length, and I've just stuck it in my rotary tool. You got to make sure you find the right size collet and everything. But this is super, super easy. We're just going to run the brass rod over the sandpaper. The angle is up to you, but keep in mind brass is a pretty soft metal, so you don't want to go too fine because the point can actually bend. Once we have the desired angle, we're going to move up in grit size just to polish the toothpick up. And as you can see here, at the very tip, I'm going to come in at a high angle because, again, brass is soft and we don't want the point to be too fine. Here I'm moving on to a leather strop. If you really want to polish it, this is the way to do it. Alright, so one side is now finished. All you have to do is just flip it around, put the sharp end in the rotary tool, and grind down the other end. You can also make these out of other metals. I prefer steel actually because it is a lot tougher. And I like to hang my tools up by a magnetic strip. It makes them easy to find. So that's it guys. I really hope this helps. Y'all have a good day.